Hey guys, it's me again, Maya Candle, and today we continue our marathon. I remind you that in the previous video I was growing my deposit from just $1 and today our balance is about $200. So let's start our second trading day. I will trade from my phone. I see that location is not typical for me. Today I want to test this option for pocket options. Well, a lot of people ask me in the comments or just in direct message how they can trade, how they can enter our community if they don't have a laptop or a personal computer. So my answer that if you can watch this video, then you can obviously trade, just because pocket option provides option like trading with your phone. So today I will show you how I trade. To be honest, I don't trade on my phone really often, just because I prefer comfortable trading with my monitors, with my laptops, just because the screen is bigger and I can see it more detailed. So, but when I'm not at my place, when I'm not at my studio or travel or go to another city, then of course trading from the phone is the perfect way to earn money. So let's dive in. So guys, I've opened pocket option on my phone. You can see that here are the same balance, the same indicators, the same buttons, the same fields. So the interface is quite familiar and quite comfortable and user-friendly. So let's just see what we have here. If you click on three dots, then there will be time frames for your candles. I've chosen 1 minute. There will be indicators here. And the ability cancel, and the ability to draw different levels, different figures. Okay, just like on your laptop or personal computer. Okay, so what we need here? Here you can choose your currency pairs, what you prefer. Also, the same. Like on a laptop. So now let's just have a look at our market. I need some time to get used to today's market, just because the volatility is really high, just because the Tokyo exchange has closed and the London has opened. So I need some time to find a great position, a great setup to enter my first trade. So let's see what I'll find for you. So guys, I wait until the red candle touched the EMA 20, just because I want to see a clear bounce from this line. And I will go long here. In this case, well, just wait for a little bit. Okay, and go long. My first trade is about 1 minute and $50 to enter. I don't want to put at stake to risk a lot of money for the first trade. I usually don't do like this, just because I'm not get used to this market. I don't know whether the volatility will be high or low, how the candles will appear today. So just $50 for the first trade. And 30 seconds left, 25. You see that there are small freezes on my screen, but don't worry, it's just because of internet connection, not because the phone is less convenient for trading. Yeah, so 6 seconds left, and you see that this profit is quite clear. Congrats, we have our first profit, practically $100. As you can see, the profit is really easier to make for today, just because when you start from $1, you risk practically all of your balance, all of your amount. And if you remember, it was really hard to achieve even $10. So now we've earned $100 just from one trade. Isn't it perfect? So let's move on. Let's look for another opportunity to make a perfect deal, a great profit. So guys, going long here, also $50. You see that here is a great uptrend for last half an hour. We see that our EMAs, MA20 and MA50 tells us that we should go long here. Yes, RSI says that the asset is overbought a little bit, but not a little bit, quite overbought. But let's just look what we will have here. We're just following the global trend. I think it's quite reasonable in this currency pair. You see that only 2 candles were red, just in a row of a lot of green candles. We've reached the EMA 200 and it's a great signal to go long. 1 seconds. Okay, our next profit. So it's perfect. I think I see that the market is quite good. I feel market quite accurate, so I think that I can change the amount to $100 and I will wait for another opportunity to make profit with you. So let's wait. So guys, here is a great setup. Well, I wait until this candle or touches our EMA 200 and go back, then I will go short, or if there will be a breakout, then obviously I will go long. I see here a great downtrend. You see that our EMA 20 and EMA 50 crossed a few minutes ago. And there is a downtrend obviously with these EMAs, but in general you can see that here is an uptrend with EMA 200, and the RSI says that this asset is a little bit oversold. The price is too low. Okay, go long here. You see that here is a local level and I don't think that we will go lower now. The price can change. Just we will wait a little bit. So if the candle touches the EMA 200, it won't be a really great situation, because there will be an opportunity that the candle will go back, the price will go back, and we will lose our $100. But as I see, it will be okay. We will reach, just in 1 minute, we will reach our EMA and won't go back. So I guess left a few seconds. Let's just wait. They're waiting for breakout, for a clear breakout. Here's the breakout, perfect. Okay, another one long here, also $100. So you see that here is a breakout situation. Okay, we're crossing our next EMA. We're crossing our EMA 20. So guys, you can see that even if EMAs go down, both of EMAs, it's not a signal to go short. Just because I paid attention to our RSI, where RSI told us that the asset is oversold, so there was a perfect time to enter a long position. Yeah, I was looking for breakout and the breakout happened. Okay, another profitable trade. Okay, this was perfect. Now just have a look that the asset is going down, and if I've entered this position 2 or 3 seconds later, I would lose my money. But fortunately, I was quite fast and now I just enjoy my profit. Yeah, so I'm changing the amount to 300s. Yeah, I just want to finish this trading session quite fast. Okay, so I wait till a clear position to enter without any doubts. Just a clear breakout or a clear bounce from our RSI level. So let's wait, let's look for maybe another currency pair, I don't know. We'll look. So guys, now I choose one currency pair. I think that here is a great situation to have a look at and just to notice some interesting places to enter. Well, I guess that for this currency pair I will change my expiration time for 30 seconds. I remind you that I want to enter a clear position. Yeah, I've entered with $300. Now see that the candle is changing its direction all the time, just in the border where I entered this trade, but don't worry, the price will obviously go up. Just need some time to change its direction, to feel more stronger, and practically $500 I've earned just in 30 seconds. Isn't it amazing? Just really cool. So my balance now is about $700. I will have a look at some other currency pairs and will decide if I'm ready to continue today's trading or if I should make another third part of this video for you. So guys, I enter long positions just with the same logic as I've entered two previous trades. I want to see a bounce from our level. Now I see this bounce from our level. Okay, just don't worry about these red candles. We see that it's like stairs we have here, and now we will be at this level for another 20 seconds or I don't know. Okay, perfect. It's a perfect profit. I'm so happy with this $1,000 on my balance. I guess that you're happy with me too. I hope that you're also happy. So you see that I trade practically every time with the same indicators. Well, just because I know them so good and I can trust them and trust myself, obviously. So you don't need a lot of indicators to trade with. You just need to get used to your indicators, to indicators you like most. So this video was about trading with the phone version of pocket option. You see that it's quite comfortable, it's quite convenient. The freezings were practically just were minimum here. So if you need to trade, even if you're driving to your I don't know, vacation, if you're on the way to your vacation, if you're on your vacation, if you don't have a laptop, then this mobile version of pocket option is a perfect way to earn money for you. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for all your likes, all your support you're giving to me, and I hope that you will put like, write comment here for this video, and see you in the next part of this marathon. Bye.